Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can set up Klaviyo in our Shopify. So for that there are two methods, like we can set up a Klaviyo from our Shopify store, or we can use Klaviyo in order to integrate a Shopify into our Klaviyo. So we can just go both ways. And before we see how it all works, I just want to ask why you want Klaviyo in the first place. Well, Klaviyo is quite better when it comes to handling of automation of different emails or SMS for large scale businesses. And this is the problem with most of the automation platforms out there. They basically fail to work smoothly after the organization gets bigger. And email marketing is quite necessary for an e-commerce business, and if your 30 to 40% revenue is not coming from email marketing, then we are actually losing this battle. So this is why we can see how we can integrate Klaviyo and Shopify. So let's get started with it. And if you don't have Klaviyo account, then you just need to open up your browser and search for Klaviyo. After that, just open up this very first link that you will see in the search results. Just open it up. This is where it will lead you to, and all you have to do is just sign up for a free account. And after that, let's first see how we can integrate Klaviyo from our Shopify. So for that, you need to just open up your Shopify, and after that you need to just click on this option of apps on the left hand side. Just click on it, and here in the search bar you need to just search for Klaviyo, and a list of applications will appear, and Klaviyo will also be there. This is the logo. Just look at it carefully and just open it up, add it as an app, and this will be added to your apps on Shopify. And after that, you will be able to customize different flows related to Shopify on Klaviyo. Now let's see how we can integrate Shopify using our Klaviyo account. So for that, after creating your account on Klaviyo, just open it up, and this is how it will appear. And for the first time, when you haven't integrated any app to your Klaviyo account, an integration option will appear right at the home page. So all you have to do is just click on integrate and provide your Shopify account ID or the URL, and after that you will be able to integrate. But in case if it is not there, then you can just simply click on your profile on the bottom left corner, and here you will find this option of integrations. Just click on it. After that, just search for Shopify over here and just add it. And these are the two ways you can integrate a Shopify to your Klaviyo account. Now let's move on and see how Klaviyo actually helps us. So for that, you need to just open up Klaviyo and click on this option of audience over here, and then click on list and segments. So here we can create an accurate list as per our requirements. Like we want to email or run marketing campaigns, email campaigns for particular set of targeted audience. Like you want to email all the people who have left certain product of yours in their cart, and you want to send email to them and remind them of your of the product that has been left in their cart. So we can run a campaign on it and create a sense of urgency with our email, so they take the action and buy our product. And this way we can also target our repeated buyers and people who has engaged with us in the past 60 days, 90 days. So this way you will be able to create and curate a list of targeted people in this section over here. Just click on this option of create list and you will be able to create it. And after that, you can just click on this option of campaigns, and here just click on this option of create campaign. Select any of the campaign of your choice, and let's take example of email for now. Just click on create campaign, and here you can just name it whatever you want, like Shopify repeated buyers. And the list that you have created in the audience section will appear in this option of send to. Just choose the repeated buyers list over here. And after that, if you want your email not to be sent to certain people or a certain audience, then you can just choose them over here too. After that, you can just select all the other options like tracking. You can just turn it on, and it will help you out in analytics. So after selecting it all, you can just click on this option of continue to content. And after that you need to just choose subject line and sender's name, and sender's email is the same as that we chose while creating this account. We can just change it. Like if someone wants to reply to your email, then this is the email you will be receiving your replies on. And if you want to change it, you just simply deselect it and provide an additional email in order to receive replies of your emails on that particular email. And in order to create a subject line which is quite attractive, we can also use this AI tool by just clicking on this light right beside it. And here we need to just select what is it that we want the help for. And suppose it is for promotion, we can just simply click on promotion, and it might be a product promotion. We are just taking an example, and product name can be DNDO Torrents. And after that we can just define the product, and after that just click on generate, and it will take a while and it will come up with some subject lines. We can just choose it any of them, or we can just get inspiration from any of them and just use them as a base and make changes to them. We can choose this one, and after that we can just choose one of the type to design our email. And the types are, if you know HTML or coding, then you can just simply select this one. And if you want to go with it, and there's option of text only also, it will include the plain text because text feel more personal. There is no photographs to make it fancy. And if you want to use this one, drag and drop, basically it is quite easier and you will get more features to add to your email. So this one is also quite popular over here, so you can just use it and anyone will be able to use it. Just click on it and it will redirect you to certain templates over here. You can just select any of the template from this one, as we can just make changes to it as per our requirements. We can just change them completely, delete the photos in it, change the text of it. So just select any of them, and let's select this one for now, and this is how it will look. We can just change the color and everything else as per our brand. Just click on use template. After it opens up, you can just change anything. Like when you click on this particular logo, you will be able to see that the edit panel appears on the left hand side, and you can just simply click on this option of replace and it will be replaced. And you will be able to see other options as well to edit this particular header or link bar, and you can provide a link address over here. So whenever someone clicks on the button uh, on this place, then they will be redirected to a particular website. We can just change the logo alignment by just clicking on it over here. Just play around with it and you will be able to see how it actually works and how it will look good for your brand. And if you don't like some part of it, then you can just simply click on it and delete it by clicking on this option of dustbin right beside it. You can change the color of it and all the other things as well. So just make changes as per your situation demands. If you want to remove this Klaviyo watermark, then you need to just upgrade your account. Only after that you will be able to remove it. Otherwise, it will be there in every single email that you will be sending through Klaviyo. After that, you need to just click on this option of preview and test to see how it all works. And you can also click on this option of mobile to see how it will look on a mobile device. And after that, you can just simply click on this option of save and exit. And here you can just click on this option of continue to review. And Klaviyo will finally ask you whether you are actually ready to send it or not. And if you want to make any last moment changes, like you want to change the list of the recipients, then you can just simply click on this option of edit and edit the list of people who will be getting this particular email. And this way you can edit other stuff as well on this particular email or this particular campaign. And after that, you can just simply click on this option of schedule or send and just choose the date, time and all the other things, and you can schedule it. And if you want to send it right now, then just simply click on this option of send now and you will be able to do it. And I'm not able to send it right now because the list that I chose has 0 people in it. That's why it is not allowing me to send it right now. So this is how you do it. And if you want to automate your emails, like you want all the people that has kept your product in the cart, but has forgotten about it, and if you want to send email to that particular list of people, for that you need to just click on this option of flows, and here you need to click on this option of create flow. After that, here you need to search for cart, and you will see this option of added to cart trigger. So basically, whoever has added your product to cart, we will be sending a trigger email to them in order to remind them of the product that has been in their cart for a while. And we can also choose the amount of time after that they will be receiving this message or the email. Like if the product has been in their cart for around 30 minutes, and we can set it that they will be receiving the email from us after 30 minutes. So you can just use this one, and if you want to see it in detail, you can just watch the other video of it explaining it in full detail on our channel itself. So this is how you set up a Klaviyo with Shopify using two different methods and all the other things. I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can always comment down below. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.